Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Voiceflow and automate onboarding conversation flows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.voiceflow.com and hit enter. Once the Voiceflow homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information such as your email and a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Voiceflow. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Now return to the Voiceflow homepage and log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Voiceflow dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project button located on the dashboard. You will be prompted to name your project and select a template. Choose a template that fits your needs or select a blank project to start from scratch. Once you've set everything up, click Create Project. Now that your project is open, you will see the canvas area where you can create your. To add a new block, click on the plus icon in the canvas. From the options provided, select the type of block you wish to add, such as speak or user input. Customize each block by clicking on. To connect the blocks, click on the small circle at the bottom of a block and drag it to the next block. Continue to add and connect blocks to build your complete conversation flow. Utilize the built-in testing feature to simulate the conversation by clicking the Test button. Adjust any blocks based on the testing results to ensure a smooth flow. Once you are satisfied with your conversation flow, click Share in the top right corner to collaborate. You can invite team members to edit or review by entering their email addresses. To export your project, click on Export and choose your desired format. Your automated onboarding conversation flow is now set up and ready for use. Take time to explore additional features within Voiceflow for further enhancements. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing any of your work. Now you have a clear guide on how to download Voiceflow and automate your onboarding conversation flows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.